The number one course in the field of finance in India or across the globe is the CFA, the Chartered Financial Analyst. Now, this is a course that for many decades, you could be in college right now, you could have been in college 20 years ago. If you wanted to get into the field of finance, this has been worldwide recognized for many years. If you've seen movies like The Wolf of Wall Street, or if you're a Bollywood fan, you've seen the movie, you've seen Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, and you've seen Hrithik's character as an investment banker. Or if you've watched Billions, the series, and you've seen the main character, Bobby Axelrod, and what he does as running his hedge fund. All of these, in some way, get linked to CFA. If you heard in the last year, right, as you call it, the Hindenburg report, there was a crash because they reported certain things about the Adani stock, and the Adani stock had crashed, making big news. The Hindenburg CEO is also a CFA. So I think any direction you look at in the world, CFA or being the number one qualification in the field of finance being something that is the backbone of everybody in the world, whether you're an individual working by yourself or in massive companies, in startups or in another country, it doesn't matter. Finance connects us all. First of all, what is CFA? Like I said, CFA is the number one finance program in the world. It's headed by the CFA Institute, which is based out of US. They also have offices in Bombay. By the way, this is different from CFA India. If you ever heard about two CFAs, remember all of those are gone. The only ones we talk about now is the CFA US. So guys, if you'd like to learn more about CFA, if this video was for any reason not enough, you have more questions, not only can you leave it in the comments, but please feel free to reach out. We do land up training a few thousand CFA students every year, and hopefully you've seen most of them progress. So if you have any further doubts, feel free to reach out. We are there to help.